And welcome to my YouTube channel Exp19 Excel Chapter 5 Host Assessment Fine Art. We can move to the instruction file Exp19 Excel Chapter 5 Host Assessment Fine Art. So if you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, and other courses. We can move to the step number 1. So the step number 1 is a start Excel download and open the file name Exp19 Excel Chapter 5 Host Assessment Fine Art. XLS Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel worksheet. We go to the step number 2. So step number 2 is a before using the subtotal command, the data must be stored by category on the subtotal worksheet. Go to the subtotal worksheet. Perform 3 levels sort by state, then by type, and finally by title, all in alphabetical order. Add the data label. Go to the data tab. Select the sort and perform a label sort by the status. Add a label, by a sort. Perform 3 levels sort by the status. Add a label to status. Order is A to Z. And then by type, and finally by type title. Then by type level, go to the second level is by type, and finally by the title. And at the third level, finally by the title, all in alphabetically order. Click OK. So step number 2 is a complete. Go to the next step is step number 3. You want to subtotal data to identify the highest issue prices, estimated value, and percentage change by the status, category, and then type of artwork. Use the subtotal feature to insert a subtotal row by the status, identify the highest, max issue price, est value, and change. Then add the second level subtotal by the type using the same function and column. Go to the Excel worksheet and go to the data tab. Select the outline group and go to the subtotal. Subtotal is row by status to identify the highest max issue price and each value. So the title is a status. At a E change in status, row by the status to the identify highest max issue price and each value. So use the function is the sum function. Already selected the sum function. And highest max issue price and each value changes. Add a subtotal to issue price and each value. The status to identify the highest max issue price and each value. In the changes, click OK. And then add a second level subtotal by the type using the same function and a column. Add the second level subtotal by the type using the same function and column. Go to the data tab, click outline and select the subtotal. At a change in type, select the type and use the function to maximum to max level by type using the same function and column. Same function is a issue price, each value changes and replace the current subtotal as deselect. Type max and issue price is to click OK. The step number 3 is complete. So the next step is step number 4. You want to apply an outline so that you can collapse values used for the formula in column F. Then you will collapse the subtotal row. Apply an auto outline and click the collapse button above column F. Collapse the data by displaying only the subtotal and grand total row. Apply the auto outline. Go to the data tab and select the outline. Click a group and select the auto outline. Collapse the data display. Grand total, showing the grand total, and click auto outline. Group and click auto outline. Click OK. And button above the collapse the button above F column. Collapse the button F column. And set a print area in the range B1 to F40. Copy the range, paste the range, select set a print area in the range. Go to the page layout tab and print area, set a print area. Print area. Step number 4 is complete. So the next step is step number 5. A pivot table can give additional perspective to data. You will use the art worksheet to create a recommended pivot table. Use the art worksheet to create the recommended pivot table called is sum of issue price by the type on a new worksheet name is sold out. Use the art worksheet. Go to the art worksheet. Create the recommended pivot table is called sum of issue price by the type on new worksheet name is sold out. Sum of issue price by type. Go to the insert tab and recommended pivot table. Click OK. So the sum of issue price by type pivot table. Sum of issue price by type. Sum of issue price by. So first table is sum of issue price by type. Click OK. Pivot table sum of issue price by the type. The new worksheet name is a sold out. Copy the name and sheet 1 is rename. Right click, name is sold out. Press enter. The pivot chart that include the status field in the filter area, the east value field in the column area, the type of field in the row area, and issue price field in the value area. Include the status field too in the filter area. Status field to the filter area, field in the filter area, and then east value field. East is the value field. East value field in the column area. East value field drag to the column area, and the type field to the row area. Type field to the row area. Row area already is the type field, and then issue price to the field. Issue price field in the value area. Issue price field sum of issue price is the sum of value area, and name the pivot table is R type. Copy the pivot table name, and pivot table name is R type. Press enter. Step number 5 is complete. So the next step is step number 6. Current the pivot table contains the issue price field. You will add the east value field to compare the difference between the total or waste issue price and estimated. Add the east value field below the sum of issue price in the value area. Add the east value field pivot table analyze field list. Add the east value field below sum of issue price. Sum of issue price in the value area. Add the east value field below the sum of issue price. Go to the Excel worksheet. Move a value east value to below the sum of issue price. So the step number 6 is complete. So the next step is step number 7. Step number 7 is you want to display the average value instead of the sum of the value in each category. Modify the two value field to determine the average issue price and average east value by the type. Change the custom name average issue price and the average east value respectively. Modify the two value field average issue price and sum of issue price average issue price name custom name average issue price field setting and sum of issue price to average issue price. Click OK and average east value to the value by the change the name to average issue price. Value field setting and sum of issue price, type the average east value, click OK. So the step number 7 is a complete. Next step is step number 8. Format the two value field with the counting number format 0 decimal place. Format the two value field with the counting number format. Two value field with the value field setting, number format, counting number format by the 0 decimal place. Decimal place, 0 decimal place. Click OK. Again click OK. And average of east value, number group, counting number format, 0 decimal place. Click OK. Click OK. So the step number 8 is complete.